We've got the Q out of the car show here on the Day in the Park in Bryan, and I've got Jim Lake with me right now. Jim, good to see you.
Good to meet you.
Hey, you know what? You told me today you came in out of Michigan, right?
Yeah, I live in Hanover, Michigan. It's about 2 hours north of here.
And how do you get down to Bryan, Ohio on a Saturday afternoon?
Well, we come down to Ohio a lot for car shows. We really like it down here.
Tell me a little bit about the car that we're standing in front of, because first of all, I got to tell you, I love the color, man. Obviously, you're kind of into orange yourself.
Well, the color is candy pearl tangerine.
Okay.
And it's got ghost flames on it, as you can see. It's got a 427 Chevy motor. It's got a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It's got a 9-inch Ford rear end, 373 gear. It has airbags. It has heat and air. It's got leather interior.
Yes. And basically, it didn't come standard with that in 1941, did it?
That's right. That's right. Absolutely not.
This was redone a little bit.
Yeah, a lot.
Where did you find the car?
I found it in Kentucky.
Okay.
Yeah.
When was that?
Oh, I've had the car 10 years.
Oh my gosh. Now, what did it look like when you found it in Kentucky?
A guy had built it. It looked almost like this. It needed some work, but it was pretty much like this.
So this isn't something that you bought and then totally restored?
No, no.
All right. Are you capable of doing that? Are you a pretty handy fella?
I've done that with several cars, but I'm kind of getting a little too old for that now.
What brought you to this one then? Why the Willys?
I've always wanted Willys. You know, they're a drag car that everybody uses, the gasser. And I've got another one. I've got a black Willys too. I've got a couple of Willys.
Really?
Yeah.
And where did you find the black one then?
Let's see. We found that from a guy in Michigan.
I'll be darned.
Yep.
Now, the interior, everything was done when you bought this, or did you do any upgrades at all?
I did mostly mechanical stuff, the airbags and things like that.
How fast will this guy go if we take it out here and get a nice dry patch of concrete somewhere?
I've never opened it up, to tell you the truth. The wife won't let me.
I bet your wife's opened it up once or twice.
She's opened the black one. It's got a bigger motor.
Does it really? What would you guess, though? What would high end be on something like this?
Probably 85, 90.
85 or 90.
Yeah.
And back in the day, when you drove this out of the showroom, what kind of engine did it have in it, and how fast would it go back then?
It had a 4-cylinder engine and probably go top speed about 40.
About 40.
Yeah.
So it's doing a little bit better here in 2019.
A lot better, yeah.
There's no doubt about that. Now, I got to know one thing before I let you go, because somebody had some trouble there in the driver's side, okay?
Oh, you're talking about the ice cream?
Yeah.
That gets a lot of people's attention.
Yeah, that's good. Where did you come up with that?
That's my wife's idea. She got all of the talent for the special stuff.
And she blames you entirely for that ice cream cone.
That's right. Yeah.
That's exactly how that goes.
And I blame her.
And it goes back and forth and back and forth.
That's right.
And we'll probably never ever know who really dropped that ice cream cone
That's right.
in this beautiful 41 Willys. There's no doubt about that. Well, Jim, thank you for your time
Thanks
today.
for talking to me. Hey, I want to thank Rex for putting this show on.
Yeah.
This is a real nice show.
It really is.
We
a nice
enjoyed
show.
it.
It is. And
Yeah.
what a beautiful day he set up for us today.
Can't do better than today.
No doubt about that. It's just
Right.
absolutely wonderful today. We're out of the car show here in Bryan on the Q96.5 FM Facebook, and we're all brought to you by Wheelan Auto Repair, the main stops of Northwest Ohio, Culligan Sales and Service of Northwest Ohio, Case Beer, Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep, and Bryan Ford Lincoln.